Now moving
talk
on
about,
to,
just for you, ASMR.
we're going to talk about keyboards and why some keyboards are better than the other and why one is preferred over the other.
So firstly, I'd like to say that this is something मैं कंप्यूटर पे बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ और ये चीज़ सब में ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. मैं माउस बहुत कम यूज़ करता हूँ और हर चीज़ एक्चुअली यहीं से करता हूँ. इवन navigation मोस्टली यहीं से करता हूँ. There are different types of mechanical keyboards. Here I have an example. This is a Logitech 512. It's not a very good mechanical keyboard. This is something I had previously. This is the sound of a mechanical keyboard is what is firstly admirable. Some people hate it, especially if you're in the office and a person on the side is doing it. It can get annoying, but the feel of it is amazing. Here is the keyboard. So the thing with this, if you can show here, these keycaps come off, right? So these are the keycaps. There are like three parts: base, the switch itself, and the keys. And I have different switches here. Three types of switches actually. So one is a linear. So this is like a linear switch. Okay, the yellow one is a linear switch. The black one is a linear switch. These are cherry switches. And these are tactile switches. And then there are clicky switches. So I'm going to try to put in an audio for you if you can see. That is the sound of. This is a tactile. Right? So back to us, but there are many manufacturers for that. There's a linear switch, which is it goes straight from top to down without any feel, like it just goes down and up, right? Like most keyboards are. Then there is like a tactile switch, which has a bump in between. तो आप feel कर सकते हैं, जैसा दबे जब feel कर सकते हैं. You can't hear it, you have to use it. The last one is a clicky switch. It makes a very loud sound. Check, 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 check. वाले जो keyboards रहते हैं. It's almost like a typewriter. That is a clicky switch. It's a rabbit hole. ये keyboard, वो switch, ये keycaps.
Rabbit hole तो हर चीज़ में आप शौक करें उसमें rabbit hole है. हर चीज़, like even if you go into audio, even if you go into keyboards, even go into these little switches, क्योंकि लोग कीबोर्ड के अंदर ही दूसरे स्विचेस लगाते हैं. तो आधा कीबोर्ड ये रहता, आधा कीबोर्ड वो रहता. यूजुअली गेमर्स जो WASD है वो यूज होता है लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. एंड देयर आर कीबोर्ड्स व्हिच आर पार्टीशनड. आधा कीबोर्ड राइट.
Yeah, and then there are color differences. There are like so many keycaps, but two of the switches that I would
gamers change it.
Yeah, you can actually go to this website if you are into mechanical keyboards. It's called rectangles.store. It's an Indian website. There you can have a sample pack of all these switches, so you can understand what you like, but it's like a huge mess.
Believe it or not, अगर आप सोच रहे कि भाई कीबोर्ड के लिए हाँ भाई कीबोर्ड ले लेंगे 3,000 का 4,000 का, they are keyboards. कितने पे prices goes up like.
अभी मेरा जो वहाँ पे है वार्मिलो वो है 15 का, मेरे को डिस्काउंट में 13 में मिला.
In the end भाई शौक के मैं इनसे सीखा, आप लोग भी सीख लो. बोलो भाई.
शौक के पैसे नहीं है भाई. आपका शौक है. और this is something I do on. This is the most used thing. I use my keyboard more than I use my phone, I'd say. So that's why I want it to be really great, and how I want it exactly to be. The weight, I've figured it out. I've tried all the switches. I figured I like linear switches with 50 grams of weight. So that is what, once I have that preference, I can keep on searching for keyboards like that if this fails on me or something, right? And then you also have silent ones, which is, they don't make as much sound, they go very silent like that. I can give you two manufacturers. One is Cherry from Germany and one is Gateron from China. These make like the most used switches in the world.